Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are talking about how you can create a new Google Play Store ID. So guys, this is very simple steps. Simply watch this video until the end. So guys, first of all, when you open your Play Store app, you can see sign in option. When you click on sign in, you will be see this page. Now guys, if you want to create a new Play Store ID, now guys, simply click on create account option. Now guys, you can see two things for my personal use and for work or my business. Simply click on for my personal use. Now guys, you need to add your first name and the last name is optional name. If you want to add, now simply add your last name. When you add your proper name, simply click on next. Now guys, you need to add your date of birth. Simply add any date of birth. Now select your gender. For example, select male. Now click on next.
Now guys, write your new email.
For example, I create I write Muhammad. When I click on next, you can see that username is taken. Try another. Now guys, you need to add unique numbers. For example, 1525. Now, @gmail.com is already attached on it. Now guys, when you add unique numbers, now click on next. Now guys, you can see that username is taken. Now we try another. For example, I try this. Now click on next. Now guys, you can see available numbers M2643 3585. Now simply write those numbers. When you write those numbers, simply click on next. Now your email is created. Now you need to add your strong password. Simply add a strong password. Guys, when you add your strong password, simply click on next. Now guys, click on save. Now guys, you can see your email will be created. Now click on next. Now scroll down and click on I agree. Now guys, you can see your Play Store new ID will be created properly. Now as you can see your ID created properly. Now guys, that's all. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel for further more updates.